one is caught. You drink something?
And the croc is waiting.
All of them. And they all went back. One little tiny.
Oh, the croc is heading there. See that? Missed. He got it.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
Another one? Oh, one is got. One is got. Another one. Oh, and he's struggling. You can see the teeth of the. Click the pictures. Click the pictures. Oh, struggling. Oh. Oh boy. Yeah. Oh, another one is. There he goes, another one. Oh. But you see that crocodile needs help. It needs someone to come and submerge the wildebeest. You see, he's just holding it. Oh, he made it. He's out. He's out. Oh.
No way.
Oh, he wanted someone to help.
Yeah.
But now with a big cut. Now heading for another one.
They did get one earlier.
Yeah, there is one with who is dead now, the young one. He's going there. See there? Oh, made it again.
Yeah.
This is the one which was caught. The big guy has got one. Some are still going. Still missing.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Ah. It's gonna have that one. Oh. There. Missed.
Yeah.
Oh, missed everything.
Jeez.